What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna wash the carpet. I've got my pressure washer right here, some soap, and I'm gonna be using this it's a little foam cannon that my brother gave me. Right now I just noticed that it's the same brand as the pressure washer. So anyways, here's the soap that I used on the truck when I washed it, except it lost its color. I left it out in the sun, so I don't know what happened, but it lost color. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using the pressure washer with the little foam cannon just to throw some soap. I'm gonna use a brush to scuff it up. But before I start any of that, let me just go ahead and show you what the carpet looks like. So I'm gonna throw a bunch of soap on it, scrub it real good with the brush, and just rinse it a couple times just to make sure I leave it as clean as I can. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm not seeing any more filth coming out. Right now I'm just gonna hang it, give it its final rinse. I threw some soap, just let it soak in. And then I'm gonna hang it, just rinse all this off and just let it out to dry. But I think it came out pretty decent, pretty nice. We'll just have to see after it dries. So let's check out the carpet. Right here, this is the passenger side, which used to have some mud stains right here and on the back, so those came off, so that's pretty good. I still see some hair along the edge right there, but I guess for that, after I install the carpet back on the car, I'll just drive over to the car wash and try to vacuum and see if I can clean it out a little bit more. Over here on the driver's side, the back seat came out pretty decent. There's some leaves and a little bit more hair, but it's not bad. And of course, the driver's seat. This piece of carpet right here looks, it has its wear and tear right here, because of course the driver is always gonna have to be in the car, so expect some wear right there. But other than that, like, the carpet came out badass, like better than what it was. So I'm gonna put this away until the car is done. Like, I'm still working on the car, so I haven't painted it yet, but I'm still working on it, so expect the video in the next few days. With that, I guess I'm gonna cut the video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.